Hello everybody, welcome to MBA 715 Systems Design. I'm Dr. Gadgil and I'm the instructor for this course. For this course, we will be using the textbook Essentials of Systems Analysis and Design 6th edition by ValacichJoey and Hoffer. In this first chapter, the Systems Development Environment, we will define information systems. We will then define information systems analysis and design, and then we will see what is the role of the systems analyst in information systems development. These are the learning objectives of this video. Why do organizations need information systems? What is the bottom line for any business? It's a profit, right? People undertake business endeavors to make profits. And in today's global markets, where the competition is really very tough, how would an organization make a profit? There's a tough competition. In order to have competitive edge, an organization needs a decent decision-making abilities. In order to have competitive edge, an organization needs to make informed decisions. And this decision-making is facilitated by an organization's information systems. So then, systems analysis is a proven method to help a business have access to information and utilize information to its fullest capacity. The activity that involves information systems development is a systems development life cycle and is the central to information systems development. So then, what is information systems analysis and design? It's a method used by companies to create and maintain systems that performs basic business functions. So then let's see what these basic business functions are. A typical business organization may consist of the following main departments or functions: production, research and development, also innovation, purchasing or procurement, marketing that includes sales and distribution, human resource management, and accounting and finance. Nowadays, information management or information technology is also considered to be an important business function. You all know what line functions and staff functions are, right? A line function is the one that directly advances an organization in its core work. This always includes production and sales, sometimes also marketing. A staff function supports the organization with specialized advisory and support functions. For example, human resources, accounting, public relations, and legal department. Each of these business functions have numerous processes associated with them. A business process is a series of tasks that are completed in order to accomplish a goal. So business processes are something that businesses go through every day in order to accomplish their mission. Information technologies are used to support these business processes. For example, a certain type of information technology facilitates and manages processing of transactions, which is also called as transaction processing systems, typically for data entry and retrieval. For example, an automated teller machine, ATM, for a bank is an example of an information system that allows many different kinds of transactions. You can go and deposit money, you can withdraw money from an ATM machine. But if you go to the bank and you find a person to do that job for you, each of this transaction is a business process. Now let's consider an example from the marketing department. Let's consider marketing activities of an organization. Marketing activities are directed towards planning, promotion, and selling goods and services to satisfy the needs of customers and the objectives of the organization. Information systems can help the organizations make informed decisions regarding the marketing mix, such as products, price, place, and promotions. In order to support decision makings on the marketing mix, a marketing information system can use different sources of data and information. Marketing research is also an important business process in marketing department. This process is supposed to collect data on the actual customers and the potential customers. The identification of the needs of the customers is a starting point for another business process. So we are talking about business processes in general. Okay, and how are these information systems supporting these business processes? Because ultimately, when the information systems take care of the business processes, they are able to perform better. They are able to provide better services to their customers, retain customers. If a customer is happy, he's going to be loyal to you, or you can actually grab customers from your competitors, right? Let's talk about a little bit more complicated processes. Information technologies allows an organization to support statistical analysis of information acquired by different processes such as marketing, research, business process. Now, marketing intelligence, it's another business process within an organization. Marketing intelligence gathers and interprets data regarding the firm's competitors and disseminates that information to the appropriate users. Organizations use statistical techniques in business processes such as sales forecasting. Sales forecasting uses statistical techniques such as group decision making technique, scenario analysis, and extrapolation of trends and cycles through a time series analysis. You guys are familiar with all these terms, right? Another line function is manufacturing. Information technology plays a vital role in the decision making of manufacturing processes. Transactional processing systems supports business operations and are the major sources of data used by the higher level systems to derive information. Transactional processing systems, and we are now considering manufacturing, right? TPS supports manufacturing processes such as product design and engineering, product scheduling, quality control, facilities planning, production costing, logistics, and inventory. You name it, you name any business process, information technology has it. Now let's take a look at this ERP system, this diagram over here. You can see there is a centralized database, which means all these different applications, all these different systems supporting those relevant business processes or business functions are connected to the centralized database. In an ERP system or an enterprise resource planning systems, all the various applications, all the business process, all the information systems that supports those business functions are connected to the centralized database. An ERP system not only centralizes an organizational data, but also the processes, because it will enforce those processes on the organization and the organizations has to adapt those processes. Hence, if an organization implements ERP systems, we all say that an organization has adapted best practices in the industry. Information systems has huge impact on how organizations design, implement, and support business processes. Using information systems to support business processes empowers employees and leverage their processes for competitive advantage. Using business process reengineering, organizations vastly improve their effectiveness and quality of their products and services. Information systems integrated with business processes brings an organization lasting competitive advantage. Information systems that supports connected business functions with the aim of serving the firm's customers. For example, customers expect timely order delivery, quality inspections to their own standards, flexible credit terms, post-delivery services, and often participates in product design processes. Information technology provides vital support for integrating internal business processes, cutting across functional lines, and for integrating operations with the firm's business partners, its customers, and suppliers. In this way, information systems provides a competitive edge to an organization.